James. I originally grew up in the Marshall Islands. I was in the stage band, marching band. My mom was a teacher. My dad was a firefighter. I played basketball all the way up until junior year. We moved over here towards the Florida area maybe about 7 years back. So a couple of my family members, they're truck drivers. The freight industry is really big. So I wanted to get my chance to come out here and see what I could do. I got with Super Ego, a couple friends that told me it was a good company to work for. So I came out here to see if I could do it, give it a shot. I'm enthusiastic and excited about it, and trying to see if I can do it, just like everybody else. Get out here and make a difference in the world and get a piece of my pie, American pie.